This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade jelly straws. First, gather your ingredients, including unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, and your favorite fruit juice. You will also need suitable molds, like silicone straw molds or small, narrow containers. Make sure all your tools and surfaces are clean and ready for the next steps. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful jelly-making experience. Next, let's prepare the jelly mixture. Start by blooming 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin in about 1/2 cup of cold water for 5 to 10 minutes. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 1 cup of your chosen fruit juice with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the sugar fully dissolves. Do not boil the mixture. Then, stir the bloomed gelatin into the warm juice until it is completely smooth. Now it is time to fill your molds. Carefully pour the warm, liquid jelly mixture into your silicone straw molds or other narrow containers. Fill them almost to the top, leaving a small space. Once filled, transfer the molds to the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours, or until the jelly is completely firm and set. Patience here ensures perfect results. Finally, the exciting part, demolding your homemade jelly straws. Gently push each straw out of its mold. If they are a bit stubborn, you can briefly run the outside of the mold under warm water for a few seconds to help release them. Once removed, your delicious jelly straws are ready to enjoy. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.